If you are looking to do a fun water paint activity without the mess, you are going to absolutely love this. This is the Tidro Fairy Kingdom watercolor painting. So it comes with this and this pen, and then in the back you also get a paintbrush right here. So how this would work is you'd fill up this tube, and then this is also a paintbrush. So basically the water would go here, and then what you're going to do is you're going to open this up right here, and then once you hit this color here with the water, that would be the color that you get. So you don't have to worry about getting these paint sets all over the place, having water dishes everywhere. If you want to do a small water dish, you could use this as well, but this pen works awesome. And it's just a ton of fun, and you literally just touch this and then you do that. You don't have to worry about all the paint things getting crusted and it's just a mess. This is awesome. So if you're looking for a fun painting activity to do without the mess, could not recommend this enough.